So hey guys, Manu this side once again and welcome to this another video where we are going to talk about how you can actually start to get clients when you are starting out on your journey for the very first time, or you are just a newbie and you want to have clients, paid clients, right? So in this video today I'm going to discuss about 5 facts that you must do to gain clients when you are just starting out your agency, or maybe you are a freelancer, right? So stay tuned with this video because if you skip you might miss some useful information, right? So let's start the video. So the number one fact that will help you to gain new clients is your social media profile. Yes, we are talking about social media, right? We are talking about lead generation or getting clients through social media, and there the most important thing that will help you to get client is to get a genuine looking profile, right? I have seen a lot of people in this business who are giving some sort of service, but their profile is not that much optimized, or I should say that they have not worked on their profile well, right? They don't look that these kind of people are providing that service that they are claiming, right? So that is one thing that you should focus on, because like when you have a genuine looking profile, right, people understand, okay, this person is having this type of results in his profile, or maybe yes, his cover picture, his profile picture looks decent, and his bio says that he is giving this service. That means he is providing this service actually, and he's not a fake guy or not a scammer, right? So having the best optimized profile is a myth, but what you can do is have a profile around your service. So if you are providing a service, create your profile around that, right? If you have some testimonials, try to show them off on your profile so that people can understand that yes, you are giving that type of service. And if not, if you don't have any testimonials, then just simply create like your cover picture, your bio, and your posts that you are sharing in your feed around your niche, or around your topic, or around your service that you are providing. That will genuinely help you to get clients, because it will create trust that that type of service, you are providing that type of service, and then only people will understand that yes, this person is somebody that can give me the results. So that was point number one. Let's move on to point number two that I have already said in the point number one, that is, have a cover picture around your niche or around your service that you are providing, right? If you have a cover picture that says I help agency owners to get their business to $10,000 per month within 90 days, and you are actually providing that kind of service, for example, done for you funnels, or maybe lead generation service, or maybe something around that that will help them to grow their agency or their business towards $10,000 per month, and you cover actually that thing in your cover picture, that will give you a good, like, trustable profile, right? People will understand, they can relate that yes, this person is giving me that service, and he is having a bio and as well as cover picture around that service. So that is a genuine profile, right? So as you are what to say, you are mentioning your service in your cover picture, same thing you have to do in your bio, right? So you can write that I help agency owners to scale up to $10,000 per month using our whatever system you guys have, or maybe within 90 days, or whatever time period you are providing, right? So this is the one thing that I'll prefer. If you don't have any testimonials, if you have, like, what to say, if you have not done any previous client work and you are just starting out, this type of this type of cover picture and bio technique can give you, like, can help you actually to gain trust of your client, that yes, you are providing that type of service, and yes, you can provide that type of results, right? So let's move on to the point number three. Okay, so now we have done enough of our profile optimization. Now let's talk about how actually we can gain real clients. So number one thing that you can do is you can provide a free trial or maybe free walk, right? So let's cover free walk. So say for example, you approach one client, right, potential client, and you say that you will be doing such and such thing for them for free, completely free, in against of a testimonial, right? Because if you are just starting out, you always need some testimonials to back up your credibility, right? So actually you need some testimonials to do that. And how you can get some testimonials is by offering free service to your clients. Say for example, if you know Facebook ads or you are offering Facebook ad service, you can say that I am offering you a full month of Facebook ad service and you don't need to pay me. I just want a good testimonial from you that I have generated results. So this is point number 3. Same thing with point number 4. Actually, you can give him a 1 month free trial and you can test that how good you are at that work. Say for example, if you give Facebook ad service, right, you can say that I'll be giving you 1 month of Facebook ad service for free, and if you like, right, then on the next month onwards I'm going to charge you this, right? So here what we are doing, actually giving them trust that yes, I know my work, and as I know my work, I'm giving you a guarantee that for this month I'll be generating you results for free. And if you like my work, let's have a contract that we are going to I am going to charge you this much from the next month onwards if I can deliver the results in the first free month. This is a good strategy. Actually, a lot of people don't know, because everybody is trying to get paid clients from the very first month. You have to remember that if you are a brand new person in this agency or freelancing game, nobody is going to trust you on the very first hand, because there are a lot of people who don't give expected results, who don't deliver that much good results, and people are being scammed again and again. So people are not going to trust you on the first hand. So if you want to win the client at the very first time, then if you provide free work or free trial for 1 month, that will be a great strategy to get a new client. Okay, so now let's move on to point number 5. That is, you can outsource your work. Yes, this is the one thing that a lot of people don't know, and very few people are covering this topic in the video, that you can actually outsource your work. So say for example, if you see that you can actually close clients for Facebook ad or lead generation, or maybe this type of services that actually have good payment, right, per month basis. So and you don't know actually the work, but should you not approach for a client then in this particular work? You can, right? A lot of people will say that you should not, but I will say that you can actually go for this type of client service as well, because there are a lot of white label agencies that will do the work for you if you pay them well, right? So say for example, if you have closed a client of $2,000 or maybe $2,500 per month, and you're giving like nearly $1,000 or maybe $800-900 to one white label agency who will be doing the ads for you, and client will never know about those guys doing the work on your behalf, right? And you are having $1,000 to $1,500 in pure profit in your pockets for one single client, right? Imagine if you have 5 clients like that, right? That will be nearly $5,000 to $7,500 in your pocket easily, without doing the work by yourself, just to outsource with a white label agency. You just need to have the closing skills so that you can actually close the client, like closing the potential client into an actual client, right? So this was a pro tip from my side. Let's move on to the next thing, that is 2 bonus tips that I'm going to give you in this video. Because you're watching this video up to this point, that means you are so serious about your business. So here are 2 tips as a bonus from my side. Number 1, if you are joining groups, right, that is a good point that you should do, right? Join groups in your niche. Yes, if you join groups in your niche, there are a lot of people asking questions, or there are a lot of people asking for hiring opportunities. There you can actually place your bid, or maybe you can comment over there, right? Not placing bid, you can comment over there. Say for example, somebody is looking for a freelance website designer, or maybe somebody is looking for a funnel designer, right? And they have created a hiring post in the group, and you can comment below that, hey, I have that experience, right? And here another pro tip will be to have your portfolio ready. If you have your portfolio ready, that will help you then and there to send them a link to your portfolio so that they can check, right? So you can directly comment with your portfolio link, or what you can do is you can suggest that, hey, I have done this type of work previously. If you like, or if you want, I can help you on this particular thing, right? Or I can show you my portfolio, that what I have done for our previous clients. So here another pro tip will be to have your portfolio ready so that you can actually show your portfolio to them who are looking for hiring like people, right, in your niche. Or if you don't have any portfolio, if you haven't worked for anybody else in previous time, then what I will suggest is to again go for the free 1 month trial strategy. Give somebody free trial, ask them for testimonials, that will be added in your portfolio, and that will eventually boost your client, like paid client gaining opportunities. So if you are looking for the paid clients from the very first time, then you might face it difficult to get one. But if you are offering like 4 or 5 people free service, or maybe like point 4 I have covered, like offer 1 month of free trial, and if they are satisfied, charge some amount of money from the second month onward. So it will actually give you paid clients, as well as it will give you testimonials as well, because you are actually asking them for testimonials for the free month of service that you are providing, right? So these are the main points you can look when you are going to approach for your first client, or maybe when you are new, or you have only very few clients and you are going to for the sales call and close another new client, right? So these are the 5 points and 2 pro tips, bonus tips that I shared in this video. If you follow those tips, I can definitely guarantee you that you will be getting success very soon than if you try to get paid clients from the very first time, right? So let me know in the comments which one do you like the best. And if you are new here, just subscribe to the channel. This is a very much new channel because we have a previous channel that I don't know, somebody hacked or something happened. We completely lost the channel, and this is a completely new channel. So hope you guys will be supporting this channel, and after all, we are going to create like weekly new content about how to gain more clients, how to grow your agency fast, and how to actually make more profit from one single customer, right? So not actually I'm not telling that you should fool your customers, your clients, but how can you actually get your increase your lifetime value of your customer, right? So we cover these kind of topics in this channel. So make sure to subscribe and hit a like if you like those points I've shared. And Manav this side signing off, and see you in the next video. For the time being, bye bye.